So I ordered some items off of Amazon, of course, for my small business. I'm a fashion reseller. I resell on Poshmark, Mercari, and Depop. So I came across these stickers, which I thought was really cute. They pretty much sum everything up, saying thank you for supporting this mother hustler, and encourages your customer to leave a rating, which is super helpful when other people shop your closets. And then I came across these thank you like business cards. Well, they're shaped like business cards. They're blank on the back, and you kind of write your own message, and then they come with stickers. I did order this set before, but it came in a variety of colors, but I'm sticking with the black and gold, and I'm thinking I'm going to get Tiffany blue poly mailers because those are my 3 favorite colors. Just wanted to share. Thanks for watching. Bye.